pool! A giant bubble is covering the water! What is happening?
Why is everyone getting out? Leo, the bubble is around you! What happened? Are you okay? I don't know. I was just playing in the pool. No, I want the blue water gun. I found it first. But Leo, you used it yesterday. Today is my turn.
Stop, both of you. We don't fight over toys. We should share and have fun together. Now, pack your bags. We are going to the water park.
The sun is shining today. Let's enjoy a fun family day.
Wow! This place is amazing!
Yay! This water is so cool! I am going to the rainbow fountain first. Catch me if you can, Hazel! I am right behind you! Look what I found! Put it on! Now I am Captain Splash! Watch out, everyone! Really? Then cross the water bridge without getting wet. Easy! Oh no, you almost slipped! I am still the captain! That was fun! I am a little tired now. I want to rest.
I will buy 2 ice creams. Wait here.
Okay, Mom.
I have a funny idea. Wow! Bubble stickers!
He will never notice.
That was a nice rest.
The weather is still perfect. Here I come. This water feels great.
Look! What is that? Oh no! Look at the pool! A giant bubble is covering the water! Everyone, please move back! Why is everyone getting out? Leo, the bubble is around you! What happened?
What? I was only swimming. What is this?
Hazel, did you put this on my shirt? Yes.
I thought everyone was laughing at me.
My feelings are hurt. I need a little time.
Hazel's joke made me feel embarrassed. Now the dinosaur needs a hat.
Where's my hat?
Leo? Hazel, what happened here?
I played a joke on Leo with the bubble sticker as a joke. And I tried to surprise Hazel back.
Listen carefully, both of you. A joke is only funny when everyone feels happy.
Hazel, your joke made Leo feel embarrassed. And Leo, your surprise made Hazel feel upset too.
When someone hurts our feelings, we should talk. We should not try to hurt them back. I'm sorry, Hazel. I should have talked to you.
I'm sorry too, Leo. I should have asked before making that joke.
Family is not about winning a joke. Family is about caring for each other.